Hello there. Today we're going to be talking about how to add to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks. So the add to your chart of accounts, you're going to scroll down here, go to accounting and go to chart of accounts. We're going to scroll down here and we're going to go to see your chart of accounts. Now, what your chart of accounts is, this is where every transaction is going to flow to. Any transaction that you think of, whether you buy supplies, a building, land, any utilities, electricity, rent or lease a building, this is where all that stuff is going to flow to. So let's say we have to pay lawyer money. That would flow into this account lawyer. We have to pay our accountant money. It would flow here. If we had to do building repairs, it would flow here. Computer repairs right here. So this is where stuff is going to feed into your reports. Your balance sheet, your income statement, your reports that you want to be looking at monthly. So to create a chart of account, so let's see, what type of chart of account do we want to create? Let's see what we got on here. Let's see what we would create. Let's just say we got to create one for janitorial service. Let's say we have janitors that we pay monthly and we want to put that in here. So to do that, we're going to go to New right here. We're going to go to Expenses because it's an expense. We're going to go to Select Account Under. We are going to scroll down to see what comes close to it. So we'll go to Maintenance and Repair. We'll go under there. And then we're going to type account name in. We're going to type in janitorial service. And then if you want to enter a description, you can. And this is how it's going to show up in your chart of accounts. It's going to show up under maintenance repair, along with buildings repairs, computer repairs, equipment repairs. So janitorial service we just put right there. And then we just click on save. And then now if we scroll down, or you can just type filter in by name right here to make it easier. You see we got janitorial service and it's under repairs and maintenance. And that's how you want to enter in chart of accounts. So your chart of accounts is always going to be changing. Maybe next year we don't have janitorial service and we want to get rid of it. We'll get rid of it right here. We will just click right here and we'll go to make inactive. If we haven't had it for years, we might as well get rid of it. You don't want your chart of accounts to get too long. You want to be checking this at least every year because some stuff is always going to be changing. Like I said, maybe you don't have, I don't know, maybe you're no longer paying for utilities where you're renting it out at now. Maybe they're paying for the utilities. So always keep an eye on your chart of accounts. You don't want it to get too long because the longer it gets, the longer it's going to make your reports look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to me. It would really help me out because, like I said, I'm looking to grow this channel. I'm going to be doing a lot of QuickBooks tips and tricks. And I'll see you next time.